Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated November 23, 2022. Indian equity markets closed on a positive note today. NIFTY opened gap up around 18,325 and made a high of 18,325. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, NIFTY managed to close above 18,250, which is a good sign. Similarly, SENSEX climbed up almost 92 points to give a closing of 61,510. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in green, with NIFTY Media emerging as top gainer with gains of 1.14%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Apollo Hospital, HDFC Life, and JSW Steel. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 3.14%, 1.49%, and 1.45% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are ADANI Enterprises, ADANI Ports, and Hero Moto Corporation. They fell within the range of 1.23% to 3.4% respectively. For the development in the corporate segment, we have ADANI Enterprises Limited, the flagship firm of Asia's richest person, is considering issuing at least $1.8 billion in new shares. The issue would diversify the shareholder base and build the firm's credibility and acceptance among investors, the people said. More research firms are expected to cover the company in the next 6 months. The ADANI Group has previously attributed the small free float to the ADANI family holding about 75% of ADANI Enterprises, and earlier this year said it is working on plans to increase the free float. Shareholders of debt-ridden Vodafone Idea have approved issuing shares worth 1,600 rupees crore to ATC Telecom Infrastructure on a preferential basis. VIL is raising the amount through equity convertible debt bonds that carry a coupon rate of 11.2% per annum payable every 6 months during its term. According to the company, the funds raised would be used to pay amounts owed to ATC under the master lease agreements and for general corporate purposes. AirAsia India, in partnership with cloud technology firm Sugarbox, has started providing in-flight Wi-Fi service on all its aircraft, according to a joint statement. The service will enable travelers on AirAsia India flights to access over 1,000 international and Indian movies, short movies, web series episodes, and stream buffer-free content from OTT apps from the system installed in the flight. INOX Green Energy Services, a subsidiary of INOX Wind, made a dismal debut on the bourses on Wednesday, with its shares getting listed at 60 rupees apiece, an 8% discount to its issue price of 65 rupees per share on the National Stock Exchange. IGSL is one of the major wind power operation and maintenance service providers within India. The company is engaged in the business of providing long-term O&M services for wind farm projects. For market movers, we have Wellspun Investments and Commercials Limited opened gap up and is currently trading up by 20%. The stock was in a consolidation period for the past 2 months and has taken support at 265 rupees before making this move. Sarana Solar Limited is currently trading up by 20%. The stock has witnessed a volume surge today with 2.4 lakh shares changing hands. Price moved very aggressively today morning by opening gap up at 24.5 rupees as compared to a previous close of 21. Support can be placed at 19 price level. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.